3, 2, 1.
What do you use to sharpen your pencils?
The answer is C, sharpener.
Which organism is a producer? The answer is C, grass. What year started on a Sunday? The answer is D, 2029. What is it that you can catch but not throw, kill but not carry, break but never bend? The answer is D, a fart. Which is required for a sedan to run? The answer is B, an oxidizer. What is the main antagonist in Halo series known as? The answer is D, the Covenant. Glenn Miller, born March 1, 1904 in Clarinda, Iowa, was a trombonist and leader of one of the most popular dance bands of the swing era. What was his real first name? The answer is B, Alton. What is the smallest unit of matter that still maintains its properties of being an element? The answer is A, an atom. The 1974 movie The Conversation dealt with several topics. Which of the following was not one of them? The answer is C, tax cheating. What role does Steve Carell's real-life wife, Nancy, play on The Office? The answer is B, Carol, the real estate agent. What neurotransmitter is associated with the fight-or-flight response? The answer is C, adrenaline. Which country has the most number of vetoes in the UN Security Council? The answer is A, United States. Which gas is produced when vinegar acetic acid reacts with baking soda sodium bicarbonate? The answer is B, carbon dioxide. What do you use to store school supplies? The answer is A, backpack. Who is the first person shown in the very first official episode of the Buffy series? The answer is D, Darla. A black bear eats many different things, including grasses, roots, and berries. It also eats insects, fish, and other small animals. Which of these best describes a black bear? The answer is A, omnivore. In which novel does the main character chase the white whale? The answer is C, To Kill a Mockingbird. Which company developed the first graphical web browser Mosaic? The answer is A, Netscape. Which of these is not a type of memory in computers? The answer is D, volatile RAM. What kitchen item helps with slicing bread? The answer is A. Knife. What does chlorophyll help in plants? The answer is A. Photosynthesis. A woman of many firsts broke barriers in space. Who am I? The answer is C. Mae Jemison. What is the nickname of Australia? The answer is C. The lucky country. When observing animals in the wild, which of these are you most likely to see? The answer is B. A bear sticking its claws in the river. What's bright and freezes when you are near it? The answer is A. Star. Which hormone stimulates growth in children and adolescents? The answer is D. Growth hormone. How did Broderick Crawford die? The answer is C. He had a series of strokes that proved fatal. A small quake preceding a large quake is called what? The answer is D. Foreshock. Which economic system emphasizes individual rights, including property and contract rights, and the absence of interventionism? The answer is A. Communism. What is the closest star system to our solar system? The answer is A. Alpha Centauri. What famous dystopian English novel inspired the television commercial that introduced the Apple Macintosh personal computer? The answer is B. 1984. What are particles that feel the strong nuclear force called? The answer is D. Hadrons. What was the first Indo-European language to be written down? The answer is C. Sanskrit. What Hollywood couple appeared together more than once on season 1 of HBO's sitcom, Curb Your Enthusiasm? The answer is B. Ted Danson and Mary Steenburgen. Who painted the Sistine Chapel ceiling? The answer is B. Leonardo da Vinci. During photosynthesis, what organelle is used by plants to change sunlight into chemical energy? The answer is C. Chloroplasts. Which would likely transfer special heat via waves? The answer is D. An atom bomb. Who is the Greek god associated with the sea, storms, fishermen, sailors, and pirates? The answer is D. Hades. What is it that you can catch, but not throw? The answer is B. Smile. Which fruit is sometimes called a persimmon plum? The answer is B. Great. Uranium is an important part of the process used to harness which type of power? The answer is D. Nuclear. What is the brightest star in the night sky? The answer is A. Sirius. Who was the first person to walk on the Earth's magnetic poles? The answer is A. Roald Amundsen. Who cuts off the Micah's tails in the nursery rhyme Three Blind Mice? The answer is B. The Farmer's Wife. What is the animated series about a family of griffins called? The answer is B. Family Guy. Which economic theory emphasizes the role of free markets and minimal government intervention? The answer is D. Neoclassical economics. Years ago, farmers found that corn plants grew better if decaying fish were buried nearby. What did the decaying fish probably supply to the plants to improve their growth? The answer is B. Minerals. What cleans dishes in a dishwasher? The answer is C. Dishwasher tablets. What tool is used for digging holes? The answer is A. Shovel. What is the national dish of Thailand?